Hi, Jeffrey G. Marsacci, attorney at law, and today we're talking about what assets are actually in probate. That's kind of a deceptive question because there are a lot of assets that technically avoid probate, but there's so much paperwork involved to prove to the court that it's not in probate that it might as well be in probate. Now, some of the examples that I'm going to give of things that avoid probate actually require paperwork with the court. The biggest one is joint accounts with the right of survivorship. Yes, that avoids probate. Yes, that's not part of what the court bases probate fees on. It's not something the executor or the administrator of the estate can grab a hold of and sell and use unless there are more debts that need to be paid than there are assets in probate. But just because it doesn't do that doesn't mean there isn't paperwork involved. In North Carolina, a joint account with the right of survivorship needs to have copies of the paperwork setting up the account, as well as information on the joint owner, and all of that needs to be filed along with other paperwork for the court. Life insurance and maybe other accounts that have a beneficiary designation. The court also needs documentation showing, yes, there was this account, and yes, here's the beneficiary and where it goes to, and it's the same thing. It's gathering that information and supplying it to the court just to prove it wasn't in probate. But if you really want to know what exactly is technically in probate that you need all the paperwork for, it's accounts and assets titled in the name of the deceased person. Because really, in the end, that's all that probate is. It's a big, massive, complicated, and time-consuming process to retitle assets from the deceased person into the names of the proper beneficiaries. But there's a lot more that needs to have paperwork involved in order to satisfy the probate court and have everything get wrapped up. Now, if you want some more information on probate in North Carolina, you can check out our website at www.estate911.com. And on that website, you can also find a way to get a copy of my book, 6 Steps to Take When Someone Passes On. And you can just call the office, 919-844-7993. Thank you and have a great day.